morning, guys. Welcome back to Mom Life with Shelby. If you're new here, I post motivational videos, cleaning videos, self-care videos, haul videos, mom life videos. Yeah, that's a lot, buddy. Anyways, this morning we are doing a morning routine. It's in collab with Marie. I'm gonna pop in a little clip right now to kind of show you what Marie's channel is all about. Make sure you head over there and tell her I sent you and said hello.
Hey you guys, my name is Marie. I am a stay-at-home mom from Georgia. I have 3 little ones. My YouTube channel is Marie Love Asbury, just my name. I create tons of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning recipes, and all things homemaking over on my channel. So if you're interested in cleaning, cooking, homemaking, and motherhood type videos, make sure you head over to my channel after you finish this beauty's video today. I share very realistic, real-life content over on my channel. And tune in every Monday for a new Motivational Monday. Every Monday, I am bringing the clean and motivation or something very motivational to get your week started off right. And I know we get tired of eating the same old every night, so definitely head over to my channel and check out some of my recipes that I've shared. I'm always sharing some new recipes and I'm always bringing the clean and motivation. Help me to grow my channel by heading over and hitting that subscribe button. See you soon.
Anyways, let's get started with this morning routine. So far we've just been up, cuddling, watching the Wiggles, having a bottle, and I'm having a coffee. So yeah, stick around for a really cute Christmas craft coming up as well with this guy. It's like a toddler Christmas craft. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, you got a drip of milk on your chin. There you go.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me
What are you
go
Okay, so we have just finished breakfast and got dressed for the day. So we're all ready for the day. Basically, what's next on the agenda is we're gonna go for a walk soon. It's kind of cloudy and overcast today, and it did rain last night. So we're just gonna go for a walk around the neighborhood. We won't go to any PARKs today because it's just gonna be too wet. So and then when we get back from the walk and my mom gets home from her exercise class, we're gonna do that Christmas craft. And that's super cute and really easy, and you can do it with any kid at any age. You can even do it yourself if you wanted to. So please stick around and watch that. It's going to be great. Yeah, so let's continue with our morning.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it.
You ready to go? Yeah, okay.
Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind.
This actually like boggles my mind that probably in just a couple weeks this whole place will be covered in snow. So crazy. Doing a bit of a longer walk today. He's in a really good mood, so we're going for it. Yeah, coming up to the big main street, Newcastle. This is my town. It's basically one street, and we're gonna cross right now. That's it. This is a big hill I used to wipe out on all the time. Yeah. As a kid, now I gotta walk up a little bit. Someone's finished all their snacks. Having a bit of a water break now. We've been walking probably for, oh, there it goes. Classic toddler. I think we've been walking about maybe 20 minutes, half an hour. Been a good walk.
If it's only for now, I don't mind. 'Cause I know that your love is endless. If
The
it's
hair is officially up. Not very well, but it started to get pretty windy and loud in the front, and the breeze picked up, so we came to the back. What? My kid's eating chalk. We're gonna do the craft once my mom gets home from her exercise class. So until then, come on, please. I'm gonna wrangle him about a half an hour. We'll just play outside. Good job taking those off by yourself. Yeah. Yeah. You want to go play in the basement for a little bit? And some peanuts. Peanuts. So we're in the basement. Usually we play down here morning and afternoon. It's basically why it's a little play area. So we're gonna play down here and have a snack. And his grandparents will be down or home soon, and we'll do the craft. Be careful, please. Eat your peanuts. Okay, be careful. Don't sit on your bum, okay? Yummy. So I'm like sweaty and gross now, but usually our mornings are pretty relaxed around here, especially on days that I have to work. So this has been the classic morning. You have some. You have some. Do you want some more? Here. Well, you can't have the remote. No. Sorry. Here. So yeah, this is a classic morning. Coffee, breakfast. We get them dressed. We go for a walk. We come home. We play outside. We play inside. And I basically just keep them busy until nap time. So we're already going back upstairs. We were down there for 2 seconds. So yeah. Toddler life is busy life. I can't even imagine having more than one right now. But Marie, who I'm collabing with today, she's got 3. So you'll have to go check out her video to see how she handles more than one. This is nuts.
try. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
So for the craft, you need a red piece of paper or green or blue, whatever color you want. Just some white acrylic paint, a brush. You will need a black permanent marker, and then I will show you what other embellishments you can add to it if you want to as well. For that, you might need a little bit of fabric.
On my mind, I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. Hey, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster. Hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home.
So this is ideally what you are looking for, and you just want to let it dry completely, and then I'll let you know, or I'll show you what to do with it after that.
Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Now that the foot is completely dried, you're going to take your black permanent marker, and you're just going to basically turn this footprint into a snowman. So now that we have a snowman, I'm just going to show you how to embellish it. I have this tape that I'm just going to cut in half and then use as a scarf. Find anything for the nose, so I'm just going to use an orange permanent marker, and then we'll just create his little nose. I think this looks pretty cute though. So the finished craft does look like this. I think that it turned out super cute. I actually made ghost ones for Halloween. I'm gonna show you guys that. So these are the ghosts that we made around Halloween, and I loved how they turned out so much. So I'm really happy that I went and did the snowman. Don't forget that Marie is also doing a Christmas craft in her video as well, so definitely go see what her and her kids got up to. But this is our little Christmas craft. I think I'm going to trim this a little bit better and probably mail it out to my grandma, Wyatt's great grandma, because she really does love getting those things, and since she's in retirement home right now, she's pretty well locked down there due to the COVID. So these are great to just kind of whip up and send out to your friends and family for Christmas time. It's definitely going to perk up their day. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Wyatt just went down for a nap, and I'm going to be getting ready for work in a minute. That's our morning, and I hope you guys enjoyed spending it with us. And I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and comment down below if you are going to try out a Christmas craft, or maybe what other activities I should be doing with Wyatt at this age. He is almost 2 now. Yeah, have a great day and see you guys next time. Bye.